Are you worried that using IPTV might get you in trouble? You are not alone. Many users stream content daily without knowing the risks. Today, I will explain the truth in a simple way. Let's start with the basics. IPTV means Internet Protocol Television. It simply delivers TV content through the internet instead of cable or satellite. Now here's the key point. IPTV itself is not illegal, but how you use it matters. There are two types of IPTV services, legal IPTV and illegal IPTV. Legal IPTV includes services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and official apps from TV channels. These platforms have proper licenses, they pay content creators, they follow copyright laws. Now let's talk about illegal IPTV. These are services that offer thousands of channels, movies, and sports for very cheap prices, sometimes even live premium sports for free. This is where the problem starts. These services do not have permission to stream that content. They are breaking copyright laws, and using them can also put you at risk. Here are the real risks you should know. First, legal risk. In many countries, watching pirated streams is illegal. Authorities have already shut down many IPTV providers worldwide. Users have also received warnings or fines. Second, security risk. Illegal IPTV apps often come from unknown sources. They can contain malware or spyware. Your data, passwords, and even banking information can be exposed. Third, poor service quality. These services are unstable. Streams suddenly stop, channels disappear without notice, there is no customer support. Now let's answer a common question. Can you get in trouble just for watching? The answer depends on your country. In some places, only providers are targeted. In others, users can also face consequences. So always check your local laws. Here's the safe and smart approach. Always use trusted platforms. If a service looks too cheap, it is probably illegal. Check if the app is available on official stores like Google Play or Apple App Store. Look for company details and licensing information. Also, avoid apps that require sideloading or unknown links. That is a major red flag. One more important tip. Many users on Reddit and tech forums say they switched back to legal services after facing issues with illegal IPTV. They mention better quality, better security, and peace of mind. So the conclusion is simple, IPTV is not illegal. But illegal IPTV services are risky and can cause real problems. If you are facing any confusion or problem with IPTV, write it in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. If this helped you, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay smart, stay safe, choose the right technology with confidence.